Today is Tuesday. I have to look at the calendar. The 19th? Yeah, the 19th, May 19th, and it is currently 3:45 in the morning. I know. Tom isn't here, obviously, because he is at work right now, and my mom had to go into the office. Luckily, she's gonna be by herself, so she won't be around people. And today we have a new fridge coming while I have to work. But luckily Tom starts early, so he'll be home early to take care of the fridge, and I have to move my laptop and stuff to my mom's room to keep the dogs barricaded in so they won't be in the way of moving the old fridge out and putting the new fridge in. They should be coming between 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. So big gap. So in the meantime, I'll just work and pray they come when Tom is available, which is hopefully after 7. But now I have another hour before I start work, so I just finished my part 1 of workout. I'm going to continue the workout, take a shower, make breakfast, and then work. Enjoy this video. Sorry, I'm still waking up. Apparently 1 workout isn't enough. I need to do 2 more. I can show you my workout clothes if you want. They're pretty fun. So it's from Pop Flex, I think it's called. I got these nice cool leggings, don't mind my pillow. A sports bra underneath and a shirt that says leggings are pants. It is not a lie, because I pretty much wear leggings all the time. And here's Sebastian in his little humble abode. Baz, say hi to the people. I'm gonna go work out. Wish me luck. Oh, I also want to show you what I'm doing. I think her name is Pamela. So every day I'm doing something for 30 minutes a day. Oh, you wanna help me? Down dog. Don't judge me if I'm doing this wrong. How are you not like breaking a sweat, girl? I love her. Go follow her. She's amazing. She's smiling at me. She's judging me. Bessie, come swim with me. Oh, he's doing down dog. Oh, that's a good exercise. That is good form. Good form. Oh, we're still doing this. Where are you sitting? Where you going? Can you help me? You mad at me? Oh, I can't do that, but I'll try. How's she doing that? She has her front, hugging her chest, and okay. It's almost time for work, so I have to make something very, very important to get me the way there. While that's brewing, I wanted to tell you that I'm not sure if most people know, family knows and some friends, but my sister is about 12 weeks pregnant. So I'm gonna be an auntie to a niece or nephew. Sorry, the light is really bright in this room. I got her some really cool maternity stuff, or pregnancy stuff. I know that she likes, and we both like Burt's Bees, so I got her Burt's Bees belly butter. I hear it's really good. She's using it, so once I'm pregnant, I will probably be using it too. I also got her the oil as well. Sorry, it's in a bag so it won't leak. Nourishing body oil. That's what it looks like. And then I got her something for my little niece or nephew as well. It's a Burt's Bees Sweet Memories photo box keepsake. So it comes with looks like shampoo, diaper rash ointment, and lotion. Looks like a little bar of soap as well. And it also comes with a little keepsake box, so she can put her ultrasound thing in there, her hospital tag, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to see that. I think she's due in November, so if you guys want, I can keep you guys updated on my sister, and hopefully she'll give me tips, so that way when I have a baby I won't be so lost. Plus I have my mom and my aunt, and my cousin's a nurse, so it's an exciting time for us. Even though it's scary, it's still exciting that our family is growing. I know I should eat between 30 minutes to an hour after working out. My tummy's been kind of hurting lately, so but eventually, probably the next hour or two, I will have a muffin. I made these really cool muffins. We had leftover blueberries and I didn't want them to go bad, so I made some blueberry muffins. So I might just have one of those for breakfast, and then hopefully the fridge, guys. Oh, let me show you the kitchen. Table's way over here. We have to mop. Here's our fridge. It's been a good run, dude, but you're leaking. And funny enough, I got imperfect produce delivered yesterday. So I got tons of lettuce and stuff. So that's gonna be fun to put in the ice chest while they're here. See, there's where the leak issue is happening. Tons of water's coming down here and getting all this wet. And so the fridge is kind of cleared out. The freezer, on the other hand, another story. Hello, it is much later in the day. It is now currently 2:30. Been off work for a little bit, and the fridge came. Tom helped set it up, and want to see it? You want to see it? Ooh, ain't she pretty? Isn't she gorgeous? Here's the inside to what it looks like. Very roomy, a lot of space. And then we'll check the freezer. It's pretty cool. It feels nice. These are amazing. I recommend these if you like lemon. This is for later. Bunch of meats, dinners. I think we're set for, you know, a few weeks. Oh, hello. Baz. Bazzy. Bazzy. I know you can hear me, don't ignore me. Sebastian. Say hi to the people. Is there a fly in here? Is that why you're looking around? Did a fly get in? You scared? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's just a fly. You can eat it for breakfast. Have a kiss? Thank you.
Hello there. You're on our dashboard. I thought it would be fun, whilst we're driving and doing stuff, we should do some quizzes.
I like quizzes.
And ideally, I'll be asking Hannah quizzes since...
There's a cone in my way.
Okay, so this is trending on BuzzFeed. We're not sponsored by BuzzFeed, but we really like BuzzFeed quizzes. This one is, which Disney princess are you in public, And which one are you at home?
I can be Princess Aurora at home because I love to sleep.
Okay, so once it loads, okay, first question. Pick a rose. A red one, a blue one, a pink one, or a yellow one?
Pink.
Pink? Why? Because you're a girl?
No, I just like pink.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Guys like pink too, you know.
Pick a sidekick. Miko.
Pascal.
Let me finish! Miko from Pocahontas, Pumbaa from The Lion King, Sven from Frozen, or Pascal from Tangled.
Pascal!
Pick a palace. You have to look at these.
Oh, it's red light. Oh, second one.
I don't know if y'all saw that. What color shirt top are you wearing right now?
White.
Pick a live-action Disney movie. Mary Poppins, Enchanted, The Parent Trap, the Lindsay Lohan version, or Pirates of the Caribbean, Curse of the Black Pearl.
That one. I like my Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, we gotta wait for a red light, because it's Pick a Puppy.
Oh, that's gonna take me all day.
Okay, how about I try and give you the
Wait, I
breeds?
forgot what the bank is. Did I keep going straight?
I got it down Euclid. Okay, I'll try and give you the breeds. A Corgi, a Pug, a Lab, or a Pit.
Corgi! Reminds me of baby.
Okay, so according to this, you're Cinderella in public,
Okay.
and you're Vanellope Von Sweets from Wreck-It Ralph at home. When you go out, you're always dressed up looking fancy, and at home, you're super low-key and
That's so not true. I don't follow.
usually wearing a hoodie and sweatpants.
That's probably true though.
Yeah, I could see that with you.
Cheating. Can they all fit?
Yep.
It's so pretty! Move, Keurig. No, it's not Keurig. It's a Brita filter. I'm getting my appliances all mixed up now. There. Now I feel more complete. This is fun to spin.
Okay, stop spinning. You're giving me crap.
That's
for
how
spinning
you...
it.
Well, I can spin because it's mine.
It's ours.
No, it's mine.
Can we have things together? We're married now. We have to have things together now. We have the Keurig, it's ours. The fridge, the carousel. You're mine.
You're mine?
Hmm?
What? Mine.
No.
Mine.
It's ours.
Yes.
Can we end the video here?